Wow, that's nice. Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm doing a review on this new palette from Essence. This one is called Golden Days Ahead eyeshadow palette in Living for Golden Drama. I'm not sure when this was released, but also because we have such a different release dates in Europe, especially in our country, and then in USA, so yeah, bear with me. But I just saw this eyeshadow palette and I'm in love in these shades. I think this color story, it's so unique and quite fun, so I decided to do two makeup looks with this one that it's a little bit more subtle, something that you can wear for every day, or like for maybe for an evening if you don't want to wear colors for daytime, and then the other one to be a little bit more daring. So yeah, if you're interested in this type of video, then please keep on watching, but before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna do one side something a little bit less daring, and on the other eye something a little bit more dramatic. I'm really impressed with these more jewel tones, and I actually quite like this packaging because it's very light, it's very practical, it's magnetic, and for Essence, I think it looks quite nice. Also, if you're interested, I have on my cheeks this gorgeous cream blush from Essence. This is one of my favorites. It's Everlasting Blooms Lip and Cheek Stick. And it's this Barbie-like neon pink. I have this new duo highlighter also from Everlasting Blooms line. So yeah, I have that one on. It's a little bit more goldish. I've used this part of the highlighter. And it's in the shade Bloom Wild and Shine Bright 1. That's out of the way, and now we can start with the first look. First one should be something a little bit more gentle. So I'm gonna start with this gorgeous, very bright purple shade, and I'm gonna apply this one as my crease color. So I can already see it has quite some kickoff, but that doesn't bother me at all. Anastasia Beverly Hills has the formula that works like that, so it doesn't show if the formula is good or bad, just so you know. So I'm applying it right here into my crease. Wow, it blended in very, very quickly and easily, and I'm just bringing it a little bit more further out here. So this is the first layer because I want to have, this is my kind of shade. I love how it looks on the eyes. Maybe you are more about neutral shades, but here in this palette you really don't have any neutral. This peachy shade right here, using my finger, more towards inner corner. Wow, this is bright. Wow, I'm impressed, like that. And then I'm gonna use the pinky shade, also using my finger, in the center. These shades are gorgeous, and the formula, I mean, this was €7, which is quite a lot for Essence, but so far, for the price, formula seems to be excellent. I mean, this pink, it's gorgeous. And then I'm gonna actually use this lavender shimmery shade, and I'm just gonna apply it on the center part, like that. And then this one, the lightest shimmery shade in my inner corner, right here. It looks really, really pretty. Now I'm gonna use that first matte shade, like in between my lower eyelashes. You can skip this if this is too much for you. And then I'm just using my brush to blend it a little bit more. Then I'm using this lavender shimmery shade in the center part. Wow, that's nice. And then the peachy shade, I'm kind of mimicking the upper part of my eyes. That's that. And because I want to keep this a very soft, gentle, and potential for everyday makeup look for you. I mean, I would totally I'm gonna wear this makeup look probably tomorrow. I mean, I absolutely love it. It's not too much for me. So I'm using Maybelline Large Sensational Mascara in the shade Burgundy Brown. I mean, you can use black mascara. So my next video is going to be probably July favorites, just so you know. Ooh, and I had an idea right now. Is this maybe like the same line or something? Because I did makeup haul. I've showed you some new products also from Essence, and this is one of it. This is Long Lasting Eye Pencil Waterproof, and it's this a very bright neon-like lavender shade, and it's going to be perfect for my waterline. And that's it. So this is first look. And I couldn't be more impressed with the formula. But now we are going into more dramatic eye look. So now I'm gonna really test this eyeshadow palette because I'm gonna go all in. So let's start with this orangey matte shade. So again, I'm going into my crease. Like, for me, this is the easiest way to start always, especially if I'm not yet sure where I'm going. I'm just now diffusing this orangey shade. Like, orange really doesn't suit me. I know that it goes really well with blue eyes, but with my skin tone, it's a complementary color to blue. So it's going to go really well together with these two shades. And now I'm gonna apply it like below. Like, this is the hardest part. It's like I'm always looking so silly doing that. I just cannot pull a straight face. If orange suits you, you can do just this. Apply some mascara and you're ready to go. You don't need to fuss any more than this. I'm just gonna use the brightest shade again in my inner corner. Then let me see what else do I have here. So I haven't yet tried this very bright shimmery yellowy shade. So it's kind of like a gold, like a yellow gold shimmery shade. Ooh, this is bright. I mean, the formula, like, I wouldn't guess this is Essence. As you can see, I'm not complicating things at all, so these both eye looks are going to be really, really simple for you to recreate. Now, I just want to see the difference between these two shades, so I'm just gonna like swatch this one. So this is like it's between purple and blue. Ooh, it's a very gorgeous shade. I love it. And then this one is probably going to be deeper. Yeah. Okay, so now I can see the difference. I'm gonna go in with this shade here in the center part of my eyes. This is lovely. Lovely jubbly. I feel like I'm kind of like an exotic bird with these eye looks. I'm going in with the darkest shade in the palette. So essentially you have two matte eyeshadows. One is bright orange and the other is bright purple. And then all the others are shimmers. So I'm just gonna pat the darkest shade in the outer corners like that. Wow. I'm just gonna go a little bit in. This formula is crazy. I haven't used water or setting spray or anything with my brush. I've just used this flat small brush to apply this dark shade, and it's going on perfectly, and I have to say I don't have any fallout. And then I'm gonna use the darkest shade below, and then I'm just gonna fix the shape a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this shade, like below right here. I'm going back in with that bright yellowy shade. One more eye pencil. This is also from Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, waterproof, in the shade Matita Ochi, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use that also on my waterline. I'm gonna do a very, very light eyeliner. Just very close to my eyelashes, just to get a little bit more intensity out of the look. So I'm just gonna use Telescopic Lift from L'Oréal Paris. So this is the second look. So my final thoughts. This is the best eyeshadow palette from Essence that I have ever tried. I really like that it's dramatic. It's not something in between. It's not trying to be neutral with a pop of color. It's for all of those who want to play with colors. It has some great jewel tones. I also like, as I said, this packaging, like for Essence. This is incredible. It reminds me so much of Visar. Shimmers are incredible. You don't have any kick off, fall down. Shimmers are the best applied, of course, with your fingers as any shimmer, but you can also use it with your brush and you don't need to even wet it before. If you're not like really comfortable with colors, you can buy this one because it's very cheap. And I mean, as I already showed you, you can just use one color and you can apply it maybe just in the inner corner, and that would be enough. You don't need to go all in. I mean, I'm so glad that I bought this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use it a lot, actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please let me know. Like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so. And have a lovely, lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye.